Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshna24K on Twitter. Today we're going to be unboxing the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD 1TB drive. This is a rugged external drive that comes with USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 2. So this provides up to 10 gigabits of transfer speed, and it's actually very small, as most SanDisk products are. And here it is. This is the entirety of the 1TB drive. Imagine just a couple years ago when you had those giant drives that had all those moving parts and slow connections. Well, this has 10 gigabits of speed with 1 terabyte of space. And here's the USB 3.1 Gen 2 connector. So this is what you get with the package. It's rugged, it's water resistant, so it's rated for that. And further inside the box, you have a little document here about the device and the warranty. And then it comes with a USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 2 cable, and then a USB Type-A connector right there. So if you have an older computer, or if you have a larger port, you can plug one end of this into here, and then you get the USB Type-A to USB Type-C. So this is the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD, 1 terabyte of space, USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 2 storage device, and it's rugged and it's extreme. This is Chris Roshna24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.